Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of air fryers, those magical countertop appliances that promise crispy food without all the oil. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be a challenge. Fear not, my fellow food enthusiasts, because I've been putting the top 5 contenders of 2024 to the test. Number 1. Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. If you love to geek out over gadgets, the Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer is your perfect match. Control it from your phone, monitor cooking progress, and even find recipes, all with a few taps. In my experience, the smart features were a breeze to use, and preheating from my phone saved tons of time. Plus, the Cosori delivered on crispness; those fries were restaurant-worthy. Should you buy it? Absolutely, if you crave the ultimate inconvenience and love to experiment with new recipes. Number 2. Ninja Foodi 2 Basket Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi 2 Basket Air Fryer is a game changer for families or those who love to prepare multiple dishes at once. Each basket has independent controls, so you can cook fries at 400 degrees Fahrenheit while veggies roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfection. My favorite part? No more mid-cooking basket shaking to ensure even crisping. Should you buy it? If you crave versatility and feeding a crowd, this is the air fryer for you. Number 3. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Love a good air fryer but are short on counter space? The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is your space-saving hero. It air fries, toasts, bakes, and broils, eliminating the need for multiple appliances. While toasting wasn't quite as even as a dedicated toaster, the air frying function impressed. Should you buy it? If you're tight on space and crave a multifunctional marvel, this Cuisinart is a win. Number 4. Dash Compact Air Fryer. Living in a studio apartment, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is your pint-sized pal. This little powerhouse packs a punch, perfectly crisping up single-serving portions of fries, chicken wings, and more. While the capacity is limited, it's perfect for small kitchens or those who cook for one. Should you buy it? If you're short on space and cook solo, this Dash is a budget-friendly champion. Number 5. Dreo AirCrisp Pro Air Fryer. The Dreo AirCrisp Pro Air Fryer is a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. This sleekly designed appliance boasts intuitive controls and impressive air circulation technology. My test batch of veggies came out perfectly roasted, crispy on the outside, and tender on the inside. Should you buy it? If you prioritize design and crave powerful air frying, the Dreo AirCrisp Pro is a strong contender.